Noble distinguished Maybach owners, would you like to know the health status of your beloved vehicle? Let me show you how to easily check your car's condition. First, use the OBD cable. Connect one end to the car and the other end to the VCI. Prodigy connects to VCI via Wi-Fi. Thus, select Auto Scan and the system will automatically detect the vehicle model. A confirmation dialog will pop up. If the information is correct, click Confirm. Then select Automatic Scan, and the Puro DI will perform a full system scan, displaying the results in the form of a topology map. At this point, the XTOOL Prodigy will automatically communicate with all the vehicle systems and begin scanning for fault codes. The scanning process may take a few minutes, so please be patient. The screen will display the progress of the scan and the status of each subsystem, such as engine, transmission, chassis, etc. During the scan, keep the device connected to the vehicle and do not turn off the diagnostic tool or disconnect. Tap DTC List to view a complete list of all vehicle fault codes. Upper tap DTC Report to generate a diagnostic report. Tap List to switch to List View mode. Return to the main interface and tap Report to view the DTC report you just saved. You can convert it into a PDF file from there.